Hello, my name is Mark Hanover. I'm the global chef and head of hospitality at Canva, and I love eWater. It's unbelievable to the point that we didn't quite believe it at the beginning. When you're using it, you're like, this is not working, is it? But it has proved to work really well. I think I've used it personally at home, and I've found it really great. Like when you clean, there's a smell of fresh water rather than a smell of fake fruit or bleach, which people now associate with clean. What we found, some of the benefits of using eWater is we have a machine in the kitchen, so it's unlimited, so we never run out. It's non-toxic, so like when people are cleaning, it doesn't affect their skin, which is great. We use it a lot around the busy kitchen, so it can be used around food without having to worry about chemicals getting into food. And we use it out in front of the house on the tables and chairs when people are around. Economically, in the kitchen, we go through hundreds of bottles a week, so if we were to be buying that every week, it would cost us a hell of a lot of money. One thing I really love about eWater is just the simplicity of it. It's not complicated. The machine is very easy to use. There's one button you press, one comes out one side, one comes out the other way. So it's very easy to train the team. There's no complicated lights and different things that you need to do in the machine, which is really great. It's very easy to use, and even cleaning, it's very simple. One cleans, one sanitizes, pretty straightforward, so it's good.